Check whether the outer packaging of the product is intact and not damaged. Open the package. Check whether the products and accessories are complete. The product is not damaged. Open the side rail cover. Take out the zipper guide groove. Twist the cover screw. Take out the housing. Take out the detachment buckle. Twist the motor head positioning screw. Take out the coil fabric. Insert the side rails into the housing coat. Open the side rails according to the installation method of the inner and outer frames. Shell coat, screw hole, power cord outlet hole, frame on the wall to the installation location. Test whether the shell is level with infrared rays. Is the side rail vertical? According to the screw holes of the side rails and the cover, mark the wall accordingly. Open the installation hole. Note that the height of the two side rails is the same. Fix the frame with screws. Check if the side rails are vertical. Is the case high or low? Install the reel. Pierce the motor wire from the reserved power outlet hole. Arrange the light strip circuit in advance. Housing coating saw. Note that the light line comes out of the upper notch. Signal line down. Insert the side rails. Fix the anti-drop buckles on both sides. Organize the exit position of the light line. Prevent screws from crushing the light wire. Check if the reel is level. Adjust your hand and shake your head to the center of the opening of the installation coat. Fix motor head positioning screw. The end of the reel can be slightly adjusted. Install the zipper guide groove. Insert the zipper slot. Cover the side rail cover. After the motor is connected to the 220-volt power supply, check the code with the remote control whether the debugging stroke runs up and down normally. Finish the front housing light strip. Connect the light strip cable according to the positive and negative electrodes. Snap into the back case. Secure the front cover. Be careful to avoid crimping the housing. Twist the cover, fixing screw. Inserted, hand shaking his head. Press the light control button with the remote control. Test whether the normal on and off functions of the LED lamp are normal. Hang up the hand rocker and try it out. Hand crank function. You need to press the pause button of the remote control. Otherwise, the motor will automatically reset after hand crank. The hand crank function cannot be used normally. Motor positioning changes direction. Please see the introduction of motor debugging. The video file installation is complete.